Hello dear fans. How to determine the density of oils. Motor oils are mineral, synthetic and semi-synthetic. They are made from petroleum by distillation and refining. There are aromatic, naphthenic and paraffinic oils, which differ in the structure of their hydrocarbons. The best are considered paraffin waxes, which have the lowest density. The density of the oil is its mass per unit volume, kg/m3. Instructions. Step 1. To determine the properties of the oil, its relative density is used, which is calculated as the ratio of the density of the oil in a certain volume to the density of water at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius in the same volume. The density of the oil is determined using a hydrometer, which is a sealed glass flask, float, with ballast at the bottom. The flask has a thermometer at the bottom and a density scale at the top in a glass tube. Step 2. Pour oil into a tall glass cylinder. The measurement is carried out at a temperature of 20°. Step 3. Carefully immerse a dry, clean hydrometer in the oil so that it does not touch the cylinder walls. Step 4. Position the cylinder so that the density scale is at eye level. Wait for the hydrometer to stop oscillating. Step 5. Measure the reading on the density scale. Simultaneously measure the temperature of the liquid. If the temperature of the oil product differs from 20 degrees Celsius, the density is determined according to a special table, which shows the density indicators of oil products, corrected for temperature. Step 6. Determination of the density of the oil is necessary if it is necessary to convert its volume to mass or vice versa. The density of oil products depends on their temperature. As the temperature drops, it rises. Density helps to compare the properties of several oils, but it is not an indicator of their quality. Oil color and clarity are also criteria for evaluating a lubricant. They depend on the properties of the oil product and the presence of resinous substances in it. The color of the oil also indicates the quality of its purification. Step 7. Please note that certain types of petroleum products have the following approximate ranges of values: aviation gasoline from 700 to 725, automobile gasoline from 735 to 750, diesel fuel from 800 to 850, aviation oil from 880 to 905, for diesel engines from 890 to 920, and for gasoline engines from 910 to 930. This data can not only help you control the results of your research, but also completely get rid of them if you are satisfied with the approximate density indicator. Thanks for watching.